Mema obibiara akwaba eba Joba Trend TV so. Joba TV or YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. Baby a wo hwe bia opehu yen. De hia ne se obe subscribe. Na what share your video no amaye. Na mum adoma na da ho no aye friend notification bell no. Na review obo so now they to all. Na da bia me the interview papa say ba wonya bi etie. Me de media na awututu a. Na ene de me producer wan kan me say interview say na me be o ka chem say wo yen ko na yen ko interview na kene no kamenne kameye interview no brofo ba me producer say there be ye de Joba Trend twi na ye nti awo ye ni twi enne me de infante bruni a o Kumawood ono wo kan asem ba ko na brofo a me twam a na chese enye ono a me twa me homra na me nyi no enche sisi Medal Baba Village and Apartment I say wo poku ya say amanfo apartment a bibia ye kama eto de bia wo da wo se abaifo abebo asem we awoda bia meka na da bia meka se baifo bia ne baby obebo mattress no wada so ache na wo mattress no I reject o enti wo se kopo Oboba Village and Apartment na koda na dwotwo ho na sabra na obehu se ampa baifo eni bibia kame ho na ye ma Uncle Fiifi Roberts akwaba. Na ono de Kumawood de and the friend Uncle Fee. Uncle Fee.
Hello.
Mema akwaba.
Thank you so much.
Now what to say?
Radio do me ho ye pa.
Every day why you very very handsome. With a white shirt ne why fepa.
Thank you.
Na me hu Kumawood at but the be me hu bia the last time you see our country called Ghana. No bonko kakra say and my service here the same thing who will be ho a chere na kwa me so my bi
As in what? I don't get
as in always you always look young and handsome.
Actually my secret is Jesus.
Okay.
And aside that, if any compliments might come, make us say it's my wife.
Your wife?
Yes.
You try to tell me you have a very good wife who is taking very good care of you. Because apart from Jesus, you did not mention any name. You went straight ahead and mentioned your wife's name. Why? Why your wife?
There is a saying that behind every successful man, there's always a perfect, great, a hilarious, and a wonderful woman, who happens to be my wife, of course. And you know, I'm to make say, baby, I'm a dream. I said, "Nyankopon kamenuho."
Okay.
Because Abrabono, Obe Fiifi beba, Obe ko back to fie na sundue ni fia. You can't even come out again. The metima Kenyan no say Abrabono say wo Fiifi koye adwuma na say wo sanko back to fie na there's no peace in the house. I don't think you can still come out again to work for somebody. But you could feel you receive nicely in a perfect way and an awesome way.
Wow.
A possibility high say when they ask you to come and shoot, you definitely come.
As I'm okay, I'm even sort of always. We just started the interview, but I don't even know what to say anymore. Are you trying to tell me your wife is brain behind your success and how you're moving in Kumawood?
There's a word that you normally say, perfecto.
Wow.
Exactly.
Wow. Our lady.
I did when your papa.
Okay.
When your papa na aye correct or two was some say.
Okay.
Sebo bowa uhundi ni kuni pachura.
Okay.
Ebi wo ho a wo hu ebi ni wo a wo hu no. Ebi ni wo hu se mi kuni ne woni bi let me support him. Ebi wo a hu se mi kuni wo bi. Anya hwe ebi wo ho na se eye spare one na se. Metumi akofa dia supportive here. Why don't I do it?
Okay.
And Madrid saying at this time, ya brabo ye boy, ubinya. Dudu na kwe say, Mami nyifri be maneho. Imbi wokura na nyehwe mami sanje.
Okay.
Ebasa na emabe man na mano wa ye ha.
Okay.
Ye dwuma yeso, ye the room ma se portray na se woni asumdwe.
You can't even do it.
Nti obi tumi ka se bia me adwamanfo, me adwamanfo. I need to do it to match up with the story.
Okay.
So be a dear war na sebe na yuri problem be sino. But you are reconcile
with the year
no based on wucha.
Okay.
See, I rewa soon, dear manipani who say na story.
It's here.
nipa ni feeling and share the sentiment of what you are doing.
Okay.
Honestly, who said there be? Mami konisi. Intini nyina mu no. Asumdwe ni fie na odi abasete so a. Sweet mommy, you can do it.
Uncle Fee. Asema wakan. Achie na wo hweye. Na wo hweye ansa na wo de ware oyere.
Thank you so much. Me worry, Mary, I was nobody.
Okay.
I had nothing. I was bankrupt.
Okay.
Nobody knew me. I was just a mere person. Was squeezing water out of rocks just to make my ends meet.
Okay.
But she shared my sentiments. She understood that time will come, things will be fine.
Okay.
Because set so me ba, I come with empty hand. 12 good years, 10, 2. Without no prayer, but so she sacrificed to be with me.
You acted for 12 years and they never gave you any money. Why?
Been in the industry for 20 years. I've been in the movie industry for 20 years. Wherever they interview me, when it's necessary for me to voice out, I will tell you. 12 years, na menya pay, na menji pay, na meni mresika. Because me when say and maybe bed bad directly be into me name who sika bio.
Okay.
So we are eager for money. Yam free.
As someone who came, now person said the directors were using you to get their money. You were acting for them without any money. Why? But some movies is a quabble and they were selling the movies and all that. So why were they not paying you? I'm not getting the word.
Etienne said at that time there were superstars and stars out there.
Okay.
But the director bit to make a sick astro said there be character real home. I mean fanning your drama.
Okay.
Police a bit my catch said there be.
Mimpene
me pay we. Oh, and yet you bit to my Jessica. Me a man but you had to bit to me.
Yeah.
So it stands as a blow, as a challenge.
Okay.
So Brenda bit to my go there be. Mean to me to me you can do it. So Kaya movie or bar tambo dear, you admit to what come to dame.
Sir?
Yes. A movie.
Bad time Mudia.
Me, Mama California.
Nalu womb.
Yes.
I did that munyan a CM of fear. Yeah. None of Bano now walk Roma now is skinny.
Yes. Me patcho said money I Tuamica, but I wasn't worried.
Sinina would try and I don't to that come down.
I know the money no problem. The fact is I never went there for money. I went there for a purpose, and now I'm achieved.
So what was your purpose at that time?
My purpose was to meet my standards, meet my expectation. Let Ghanaians know what I can do.
Okay.
Let my viewers and my fans love me whatever they see me on screen.
Okay.
I need to make people laugh when they are in a state of pressure.
Inti Saturday and an open. Somebody out to Uncle Fee, who bet me on size to work. And then they want me to achieve Saturday.
Many half, I can have. Because
half.
Meaning say the stars or the skies is my limit.
Okay.
It's me and you cry.
Okay.
It's me go so.
Meaning saying me, I would do a bit half on it. Half on it, the twinkle of an eye.
Amen.
What it would be try.
Amen.
Na sini try Jumano. Say the okra the minimum some Musabi. Because what me am added out there. Nature says, oh, corner say no. You can say, Ebia, share a be Pantie be nature say. As I say, pussing binti, she pants and quanages only guessing, moving tones to Munamunalia. But you're not there.
Oh my goodness, why are you making me laugh? Because I used my teeth wearing I used my teeth to remove a punch wearing a lady.
I was singing.
And tell us why.
As I'm now can say, O can in term or manty. Some auntie or say, what then they say? A raw bad rush. I was singing. Not never overrun the rush. Oh,
very hairy.
Oh,
very hairy.
But oh, can it tree now? Very hairy, very hairy.
Mean to mean can it tree?
What can any my main canaka? What's what raw bad rush? No. Me. A time me read.
No, the well shaped one. Very hairy.
What's well shaped. Yeah. What says me interpreter.
But over to me, I a power sorry. What to interpret our sorry.
What say? Me, yes, shape on the kama. Wo hu. Nature san confuse some who can't me say. Your mom can make mobile you or more say.
I don't do that. My responsibility is to portray my role.
Na edi antina acting. Now be role be draws na be hu na kwasi okumasa ye.
I was expecting you to be some say what was the title of that movie?
Mebusa meba, mebusa say eye.
It's part of the scenario, it's part of the script, it's part of the job.
When himself say oba ko no be you be girl, you be yere.
Me pa say brand kunu kra wa edwuma yesi menya ntimi ye wiane kuna tamne de neko.
Sa, there's a wahwe.
Oh, so here ya unre mu.
Sa.
Flight is you do airport is so be nyina, so obi ahwe anko do America.
Enti no. Sa asini no mpacho na yesini ba ya. Ne your friend say.
The Taste of a Woman.
The Taste of a Woman.
Safina Harun.
The Taste
of a Woman.
It is a oh kan oba.
If only you feel
the taste
of a woman.
Me bajo. Mama nye krato brother komo we die. Ene die dey agro The Taste of a Woman. Eno ni movie Uncle Fee. Ode ne sing e wuro wo ba. Mego so atwetwe enkomo na de yi waso. Na ensem we sininum nyina na obetewa. Uncle Fee. Oba na uhu na kwasua kuma aso nwi. Na mo akeka asi ana se wuwie woni ne kokeka because one hu dia e was
The fact of the whole thing is I was being paid to portray my role and she was the main character and she was the producer as well.
To ono anadwuma.
Ono anadwuma.
Nti de besi bi eha no.
De besi bi eha no but not interest se be my area na se be men ko fam mene. Because wonye bi ko no ye motivate. Na mafa to manum amen. And se wonye aduane.
And what fedi?
Ma fedi.
Okay.
But me hu ne se o ye nipa.
Okay.
Nipa so de den na we na se be yen rene na.
Na ade I said o sika se nipa to romantically dey. And most of your movies no ultimately play romantic roles. And now you romantically good when it comes to romantic roles. Oh yeah, shawo kakra won.
I don't know. Unse somebody will be very good and very romantic, but in the Bible was that one year. I don't know what one year. I mean, what I mean is bedmatic as well. What of that one?
When it comes to bedmatic media, so we take the romance to bed. And whilst you are romantically good, dear, if so be you can wet somebody whilst maybe you are talking to the person. You can wet somebody by touching the untouchable points. No, you've ended the job. Into bedmatic, no, and only there. Go for it.
The mama make us say after me using my teeth to remove the panty wearing her. I had the opportunity through foreman control the nipples.
What the one say and the nipple nano say?
It's part of the scenario.
And there's nipple no crowd man reach orgasm.
And so when meet you there obenya headache. Into some money meeting standard.
It's part of acting. It's over my be a rich orgasm. Why acting with a person?
It is only who in your problem. Not along the line. No, some wish see your own conscience. So one son is sankas in your.
Now say what do say the so dey wanna.
There maybe such a one son is sankas in your them.
For watching that particular.
That is it. You need to at that point in time make good use of that section alone.
And why woman so I be a rich orgasm? What happened to you?
Me who say a Juma na me.
Why?
Yes.
When it comes to you. But when it comes to others, dear, you have to meet your standard for them to rate their orgasm.
That is it.
And what dear?
Debbie.
Wow.
Wow. At that point in time, unless someone cycle wajene.
Nan oma ono mo yes ha run ya no mo cycle o majana.
Bia ne dear sabi me and ade me ne twa sen no. Me a me ne twa sen no. Me na menim dia meye.
Okay.
Me a me brema no. When it gets to that level, I will say, Ben na ye ne chuma. Nyoba. The lady can be a supportive person, supportive from all angles. If it's gonna be doggy, she needs to pull up, receive it, punch it up. You need to spank her and those kind of things.
And she said, "And to make cream when I'm sent when my then I am moyo."
Ebuana graphic when tema ye kinkai. And you man who's born you. You man who's born. Uncle
Fee, me say, see, I didn't to make cream. It was cinema. ndia na ya na mo ye ho ebi nso etimi tumupunu na nipa ni nyina wa abonten na mo de keys no mo de freedom ho na mo de fie at that particular moment no e de na ya na ekoso no e ho de obi ani ho mu mienu ngwa.
Yes, obi ani ho ye mienu nkwa, nothing transpires. There are so many things whereby a man will definitely be in love with the lady long before the scene.
Okay.
Along the line, no, it depends upon the two characters. It depends upon the two of you.
Okay.
But I see myself as a married man, and I know very well I'm doing my job. I've been paid. My craft is in the year drama. My boss is in the boy drama. A drama number ye me kufia me ready no.
Said they will see can the episode kase if you saw wale on fa we rechi there.
That is the job I do. Into one we obeka say bia me drama.
Yeah, I am fa job no
ntin. And into make us say the me sid no wudi nkomo no. One we obeka say me drama for because me sama make kano. But me drama ni nya na wi no and then the last stop and then the ending part and then the airport ni me ready so.
Nti wonko airport bi aso bi.
Epacho,
madam. Wonko dog garden bi em apart from yere.
Me who so mam doma machine.
Ya kofi.
No credit. And I mean who so mam rake sebia me fan rake in run ya doso.
Okay.
And na obi of free sebia me na ye bebe ne can come out because e adwuma na me ye.
Kofi e mai ba wo ho be chiro.
Oh, in fact obi number ke yan free.
Me ade me no obi number ba wo se number ni nyina wo phone so. Ti obetimi ayi bia mam na me ma free.
Oh, eno de pacho mbotum the phone kra ma. But no kra na make chiro ma chiro no. Adwuma ye no. You meet so many temptations, you meet so many issues. But nyina fa show tim se me ba na adwuma yo. Adwuma na me ba be ye. Se bi wan se me yeri tua meka. Nti me be di nyina was setting so makofia na.
Okay.
And na se nipa me nyina do say enkola 5 and I have 5 kids.
Oh, 5.
Yes.
How many boys and girls?
I have the fact of the whole thing. I have 2 girls, 2 boys.
Okay.
And I'm a wife, junior sister. About come
into
5. But me and Kasa me.
Uncle Fi, mami muso asemu. Sa oyi obabi sa na kasa wonso se obabi nso enfane san so mu se nso wonso be ye.
Eye dwuma na ye.
Nti ya omuta do msa so.
Oh, eye dwuma ye nsa to so.
Na yesi won nso.
Na say ye banche mbole kro be hu no.
Ene azamno ayer mami nyi dem kakara mami nyi. Nti wodo de sato so awode enkikiu say
Adwuma na me ye. Saki wadwene hu say characters were setting so. Saki wadwene hu say GOPs angles. Saki wadwene say director is on the set. Saki wadwene say yakoji hotel apartment ni ye twa. We are not here to make expenditures. We are here to make good use of whatever we have rented.
Nti ye pon so obeye de ye wu nipa
na wase. Ye pon obeye wa banchi.
Okay.
Du redwuma ye ododa banchi mole.
Okay.
Ododa Ghana edua. Ye de aka benku. Ye de ufufu. Banchakrakro.
Awiesu.
Baninya banchakrakro de chia wuntimi ni. Dade ntina wonwene wo ho.
Okay. Mamenye mabrafo krato mrada. Ene de asem no enya agita. Uncle Fees one day obetimi amwa reti orgasm. But one day odon saka ne de enya ne hwe. Isan se was psyche no ho se obeye adwuma. Mamenye twa me hom brasisi ya. Madam was saying, ene de ahotutu ene mehia me mita. Chese baby a mede ne befe bia me fa enfa. Uncle Fee, Kumawood. And I started here chepa from time on na miracle forms. Gina so din. Nem say me ka dania dele nyanom ne obaya nze kwa me wusu ansanom ebedru. Satam yana ho.
Satam na many kwamusan ansa akasa because na offrende lady bi wo eye barras and uncle were in a that time no many didn't go several occasions more yes me mra me room but na na empinche me lo and behold Jojo Robertson ye me cousin
and some cry the same name
yes inteno so say e bredru baby a me hono say no aside the scrapers business I do that's what I do. Aside, yeah, hinsan, Kumasi hinsan.
We are hinsan.
Menya hinsan. I'm a fancy by tribe to be precise.
There be because we are
hinsan. I don't lodge there, I don't do anything there.
But na ojuma na.
Okay. Alongside, I was totally okay. I was flamboyant by then. But you may want to say, hey, sometimes when you are there, people misinterpret or misquote you. Say, won't do school, do baby, a whole lot. Until I decided, say, me fed either to go for school of journalism and I said, go into acting. Then I started with, then I said to myself, why don't I go to, why don't I come to Foreman? And I'm be joining Hammer Production at that time. Dave, and Dave Hammer Production, or ye billboards adverts, or Benyame side the whole. Kofinti very well to be precise.
Okay.
Mr. Free Hall and the audition, near doors to be brave, first, second, third, and Sana, ye meet target and open. And so I started to 2 years contract. Oh no, I can't use my face to do anything. Compare the 2 years contract and ended. Then I started.
Now, 2 years now we are there.
Yeah, na billboard advert, ni TV advert.
Senior daughter billboards.
Yeah, billboard and for man to but Ecole Gel advert, and then a door song and in I am there too. So father them advert. In a koi and near the idea uncle.
As I need Chiamukana.
No shame of mine, but obviously, Sabrina, it is said, Crana. What shame of my dear?
Why make your effort? Yes.
From there, now me Piba and I start production houses, dear Macobia so much. And yes, I'm getting. I just a man.
You want some to come?
Let me call.
Now, Santa one and I hear spare person.
Let me chew. Who are bear 1 month, let me be there. Sabrina, let me name the American.
Now, when you know it's in the do pia continues, uncle for you good. Now, if producers and directors and starting now or more rushes.
Medasipi, Mitmaka says, senior hating was about Tambodia. Directed by Nana Kwame Jodi Supoku.
Okay.
Produced by MT Ventures. And no NLDM PAE. And Sana Yeba Nipachumosum, a Kobetu Bamwa.
What Bansi be bonus
and Nikuchana Kusumo. And Sana, dear Waria Yeme. And Ona Ellen White, a Kobetu prison officer. Ellen White, near Kobetu, prison case Bibetutum. I was a lawyer by then to Ellen White. And also a shooty me. And Sana, your friend is name. Says anyway, a do baby and I was a craig me. A opimfu. A drew baby, I say a man called Pantie, Massy Quanya, Sibi. A waka no could drew her. Yes, we nya, ne banny mumna. Waba. Sabrina, spirit and I teach you. Nam your Roman father. Roman father, making in Sailor White. White dawo, in Hey, then yasam kitwa. Storyline by and I know them, I made Genesia and a mission. Because I may say Boniface.
And then I movie kitwa.
Me Roman Yankasa.
Oh, you're Roman.
Yes, internal me portray the role as a Roman father.
Yeah.
Koye, pie. I was contemplating so down the line. I'm sorry for the camera semana, but I thank God I met their expectations and I did what Napoleon couldn't do. Send money you know shoot him the by stories in it was being directed by Joel Edisipuku. Sumudim bedroom baby.
Okay.
Before then, a number runner for that KJC and some na kola is some power.
Some power.
Very good.
Okay.
Obi en komona free akwa copy.
Aye.
Inten Jodi Sipoko fa me do baby we no. Na medical akosum ewo eye director KJC wo. Ana sabre na me le we mu a whole lot. Back way back. And Sanechi Sampo as so me mu.
Okay.
Let me buy ya bedru baby and prince.
Sampo a very good guy. Oh.
Very, very good. Good story, good directing. I mean, the drama is catchy.
Okay. Say, yeah, do about 2 million. Ghana. In fact, a bed 2 months a day in the media. You better home by free September, October, November, one day. Ghana be giddy. Now, who has said a Ghana sequel? You're maintaining an Akufuado in the MPP, and I am for former president John Dramani Mahama on the NDC. And Nana Kwame Bediako Cheddar. Ye MPP ni NDC and for Mungu baby. Na yem fa Cheddar Mrana. Said it, man.
But you see beji ahome na so betu e kabra yenye adwuma na.
Yes, ana make say there. Who say omo campaign omo nyan start gidigidi. Nti yente asum de gidigidi. But a free September, October, November, the campaign be gidigidi ya. Yes, wo fie kura bon say MP piona obe proud de mama obe so ball akoto agu. Send in the wa wani twa. Nti wo hwese de Ghana e kona. NDC abeye bi ko. MPP gu so ye. Omo ma kan de meye bi. Nti ye maintain MPP ana.
Ensure to any formula.
Okay.
So what is ensure to? Imbuwa baby wa ensure to ayemhihye nko.
Yeah.
Baby wa ensure to ayemhihye bi
Any ho.
But sometimes baby ensure to ayemhihye on sa brand ensure to ma ayemhihye ensure say ho. But baby ensure say ho da no. Na ya adwuma.
Okay. Timbata o kan kwesi say.
E ka kwesi say e da ne dru one e be ho. Because me am de minim de kwaso Ghana.
Sao.
Yes.
Ada Ghana e dey.
Men said the old canon and mamma was be cosum. Come a minim.
Unim say ebe to aba. Hey!
The meaning public holidays.
Na about to that
Christmas.
Unim.
And no, say, and public holidays, you know. 1 day. Christmas, you bear 3-4 days. Cramofosu, dear, no. 1 day, 2 days. The meaning, no.
Now, Unim say 7 December this year, but 12.
And no. Men tells you, and no. You bear fasting and everything.
Yeah, but 2 about president. I want to abada.
About 2. You're 2 years.
Hey, president.
I'm a president by yedding.
And Musama Seminum. After that, it's on I mean,
so question about Odi Bissam.
I'm a president in the bed on my suit said, and I could for to do my issue. And then you're to 2 year different education about a day. Hospital, West Hospital, you know, affordable houses, you will see all year quine, 1 district, 1 factory, 1 day and then 1 borehole.
And from my fire woman at the bound.
And from my day, Yamidi, uncle.
And the Metuamanyame. Because that is the only thing I mean to Yamuka.
It's untuaman.
Nam se Metuamanyame.
Oh, ID card.
And you could just go banku.
It's a bang in our ID card.
And maybe I may chukwanya.
Or Ghana card.
That is it.
Now, when him say Ghana card, is our policy, no. Dr. Baumiana de buy.
Oh, media, the minimum say will be a Ghana media cherebi. And to see a corner copina a wall, I ever sign chiaba.
And as I say, you know, Johnny see a bit breaky 18. So be Johnny and I could breaky 18. You
drew an attacho, Miss Samich, Dosha wanting to betrim.
At the 10 home, my arts fat soon.
But to 7 December now, can yen who won't at a show and at the chin.
Someone more so I say,
but just how my mom I show yen ya dynamo, yan danda could you.
Go free. Oma konyamie ni nyanyan pipi abanis ebesi National Cathedral.
Oma yeden.
Oma konyamie ni.
I know a lakeside do.
Lakeside.
You could be a friend Yamini. How now can
Debi nyamia o to aba amani.
Obi no dru nyamie ni ma wasan san echi abagana bi mu.
No be
Ko America. Ananim za.
Enya Ghana de. Eze na dey say wo pese o kasa Ghana for see
ma na wo ye no e ye lalai. Ni nuane tin tuntan. Ananim za.
Say ma kwan na Nyankopon biem bo ade a. Wo mu kro mo ye se Ghana ye no be ko biara. O mo se Ghana ye no mo kro ahwe be ko.
Abre nyina eradwum toji edigwa.
Na de menti ase ne san kafe. NDC4. O mampani mama wa be dibi. Woko. Ade na chinchina twan wo se wo be sa be biem.
Eno de eye omo abanchi. Eye omo akache. Ti se me ne ogina hayi. De obe season from a me home. Na me ne wasem. But se me ti we. Obi no betime season from a difference the bebe because e drew weather na yeshin on be so a condition. Me nye scan to life bill. Nti me pia bonti na me so fan.
Fan so ba na ebo hit.
E ba na ebo hit. Mo se kwa essential no abesi bebi esie na. Be ko ni chi de yi hit ne freedom. De enwuna to ho.
Ato ho.
Ano na manfo enjoy wo mu a omo nso You get it. But as I speak to you now, the obegin from me home. I'm in the wasem. Na se me di ma foti ase di ono na meto ama no Jesus jiw too.
Uncle Fiifi that's ya me shira. Na me pese o last word. Youth na o maba movie industry no. Ese ye time ese ye ese ni papere do bi ape no ho. Enya no ho ntem. Akwara ketewa bi kro pese wonya ka chese o pese wo ye de wo pani wonya bi da na wakase wo pani wo amobra afutu be na ade be ma wo.
This time what you call for no do atem on itirimu. Because ohun ni say de wo ka no enko ba bia ni one.
Okay.
They toss me no unya 16 na 17 a year den.
Okay.
Because se me ka se me som for 12 years. Why ene wo be yesade we.
Na bi obi anye.
And na two wo di nipa nanim so de ne ko location so kwa na wo tu no fo no. Wo dru ho no wo be mo a third person.
Okay.
Because en fan cause me free ho na eba. Enye se o se me ye. Nti basa na wo a wo di anim kura de nipa na akose bia nipa ne be boa ne du level bi no. Mo a third person.
Okay.
That to so me ensa. Adwuma na se bi sipa odim nyina be ye bi koi. They are no more.
Yes.
They have expired.
Yes.
A time will come, Fiifi Roberts, I'm going to be expired.
Okay.
But can be better say, umbe sunyadie. As I speak to you now, I have a mirror, big mirror, which is in my house. I speak to the mirror.
Okay.
I talk to the mirror. I do a whole lot of things with the mirror. Whenever I'm iron my costumes, I don't wear anybody's costumes. From A to Z, I'm starting here. I wear the costumes, which they are all mine.
Okay.
Intimate two costumes, na me speak to the mirror based on the role I am going to portray on that set.
Okay.
Intimate two settings, so na me a little bit synopsis and the jigs of the idea which I'm going to portray. Then kola basebi utu for me na phone so won be sunya de and man de sebi e to na de ba. Ye hu ni se no ananya no anu no mami. Because set ne so kwa ye twa scene role de am obu nya role na nka wo.
Okay.
Nipa dom na twa ho ahia. Ene ya fro se bra betwa. Ne papa mu a sufre nyame.
Okay.
Manyame di wonim ka.
Okay.
Manyame more dialogues. Nyame more body gestures. Facial expression let God give to you. Act with the one you are acting with, because whatever dialogue that come out of your mouth, and a bit ginger ne pakoma so akebi mana yede. Na me bo na wan bo me bia be de na djuma na yede. Me kan wan kebe be de na djuma na yefe. Di oti fili be de na waye. Na ye ntiti ye didi atama ye di no, because ene na nkola ne hia. Na ye mompai say ye see ye adwuma tinkofo pressure so, e reduce for DBP. Reduce mpanyifo etiti fie. Asebi omuti fie no munya bebi anko movies ni TVs ni YouTubes no mo hwa. Egina usu no oban.
Okay.
You shouldn't be white on screen and be black behind doors.
Okay.
Respect whoever you meet.
Okay.
Set is we don't look for stardom on the set.
Okay.
We are all students. We are here to work for the betterment of the industry, for the betterment of the producer, for the betterment of you yourself. So I'm making will be pay, but that is not what I'm looking at. I don't see myself as a star. I see myself as a co-worker, working with somebody I don't know.
Okay.
Trying to bring us something for the flow to also catch up something, so that at the end of it, the producer can enjoy from the fruit of his labor.
Okay.
And question now, my victory. Will you see continue to crown and to me can't how can you want to acquire so? Mammy answering Quania Hundi. Na nona ewie pano. Nebeji obuchi.
Uncle Fiifi, God bless you so much. Wakasama I was saying gume. Say ebe kakra say preach atoaso. Nyame fa ho ahode enno.
Amen.
Medasifa. I Jova Trend TV. Awo enemine Uncle Fiifi Roberts na betwetwe komo. Ena waka no. Wo se de bra ne ho ase no. Nyame omane so. Nyame utiri ahomaso. Na wono wo hu ne hu se oyesta o. Hu ne se wo ye worker working with a co-worker. Eno ene spirit no. Na eno ne yokodru honhom no. Yentie bi na ebeboaye. Madam aboafo nyina ase Juba o shares Vikers Kitchen on my village, Oboba Village and Apartments, on my taxes and accounting. nyame enhyira mu nyina sɛ mo abɔma baba da sɛ ne mesade enkomo sei abro medin ane awotutu a me de matema ne sɛ me do obia. God bless you all.